All right, I'm on page 176 in the big Go Math book. If you don't have it out, pause the video, get that out right now, and follow along. Okay, example A. During migration, a hummingbird can fly 210 miles in 7 hours, and a goose can fly 165 miles in 3 hours. Which bird flies at a, and that should say faster rate. Hopefully your book is correct. Faster rate. If it's not, just fill it in like I am. Okay, write the rate for each bird. So hummingbird goes how many miles in 7 hours? It goes 210 miles in 7 hours. The goose goes 165 miles in 3 hours. So we fill that in. Okay, write the unit rates. Okay, so we want it for 1 hour. So in order to get that, 7 hours divided by 7 is going to give me 1 hour, and then 210 miles, I have to divide that by 7 as well. Just like yesterday's lesson, whatever we divide the bottom by, we have to divide the top, or whatever we divide the top by, we have to divide the bottom. It has to be the same number. So 210 divided by 7, 7 is going to go into 21 3 times, and then you add your 0. So 30 miles in 1 hour. Here, to get to 1 hour, the unit rate, we need to divide 3 by 3 to get 1. So we also divide the numerator, 165 by 3, excuse me. So I'm going to do that division here. 165 divided by 3. 3 can't go into 1. 3 goes into 16 5 times. It's going to be 15, subtract gives me 1, bring down my 5, and there's another 5, 15, subtract gives me 0. So 55 miles in 1 hour. Okay, so compare the rates. 30 is faster, so 55 miles per hour is faster than 30 miles per hour. So the goose was 55 miles per hour, the hummingbird was 30 miles per hour. So the goose, this is the goose's information. The goose flies at a faster rate, which is probably not what you would think. You would think maybe a hummingbird, they seem so fast, but really the goose can travel further, faster. Okay, example B, a 64-ounce bottle of apple juice costs $5.76. A 15-ounce bottle of apple juice costs $1.80. Which item costs less per ounce? Okay, so we need to find out how much per 1 ounce. Okay, so the 64-ounce bottle costs $5.76. And the 15-ounce bottle costs, so a 15-ounce bottle costs $1.80. So we want to get 64 ounces to 1 ounce, so we're going to divide both by 64. Again, we want to get the 15 ounces down to 1 ounce, so we have to divide 15 by 15 to get the 1. And I also have to divide $1.80 by 15. Okay, so now I'm going to do that math. So I take 64 into $5.76, bring my decimal up. It's going to be about 64 times 10 would be 640. So I know it can't be 10. It's either going to be 9 or 8. I'm going to try 8 first. So 64 times 8 and see if I get a number less than 576. So 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 6 is 48, 49, 50, 51. And let's see, if I added another 64, would I go over this number? 6, 7, I'd be right on. So 8 64s would be 512. If I add one more 64, that's going to be 9 64s. So 9 times 64, I already did that. There's my answer right there, 576. No remainder. So for the 64-ounce bottle, 64-ounce bottle's information is right here. It's going to be 9 cents for every ounce. I'm going to erase my work. I don't want you to erase your work. You can use as much scratch paper as you want. Now I have to find 15. How many times 15 goes into $1.80? Okay, bring my decimal straight up. Well, 15 can go into 18. Okay, it goes one time. 1 times 15 is 15. Subtract gives me 3. Bring down my 0. 15 goes into 30 twice. 2 times 15 is 30. Subtract gives me 0. So 12 cents per ounce. And then compare. So blank per ounce is less expensive. So this is 0.09 or 9 cents per ounce is less expensive than 12 cents per ounce. So the 64-ounce bottle is actually less per ounce. Now the total is more. The 64-ounce bottle costs more than the 12-ounce bottle, but you get more for your money when you buy the bigger bottle, because you're only paying 9 cents for every one of these ounces in the 64-ounce bottle, but for the 15-ounce bottle, you're paying 12 cents for every ounce. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.